The messenger said, what did he say? Shall I tell you? Whom? Your best ones, your finest. Who are the best of the Muslims? Shall I tell you? Tell us, O messenger. Speak, O messenger. He said, who are the best Muslims? You ask and search for them. Are they the awliya saints? Which saint is greater? Is one who shows off greater, or a person in remorse greater than the righteous? People struggle with such questions, of course. Now I will describe them to you. They are those who, when seen, remind you. Who, remembering Allah. When you see them, their presence makes you remember Allah, reminds you of the hereafter, and cools your attachment to the world. If their speech increases your knowledge and benefits you, and if listening to their words and companionship moves you and makes you feel nearer to the hereafter, and if you see their deeds and they encourage you to act, then these are the best of the Ummah. That is, they are the greatest among the awliya. Then he said afterwards, shall I tell you who the worst, the most wicked in this Ummah are? Shall I tell you them? Let me tell you them. Those who go about spreading rumors, carrying gossip, and stirring corruption, who create discord among friends, among spouses, among brothers, people who by various means form social ties and then betray them, form social ties and then betray them. They become friends by means and then one side sows division. Among these friends, those who carry slander and sow discord, the corrupters, those who seek to twist the path of Allah, seekers of misguidance. For whom? For people who are innocent. They search for suffering for the innocent, sinless, blameless people. What do they seek? Trouble, causes of distress and scandal. Meaning they pursue allegations. For example, a man has no homosexual behavior, but you falsely accuse him of homosexuality. You point to his voice as suspicious, a thin voice, or that he once coughed. You twist trivial things. You label him as homosexual while he is innocent. Some people read too much into voice tone and other petty signs. This is slander, and you have not seen it or borne witness to it. Bari means free from that sin, e.g. free from zina or sodomy or lesbianism. But I have seen people treat these issues as if they are identical. Where does such malice come from? They sit together, eat and drink together, then they enter into slander. None of these things, voice, manner, or social closeness, are signs of zina, sodomy, or lesbianism. But if you seek and hunt for such things, you are trying to disgrace people and strip them of honor, a major sin. So who are the most wicked people? Those who accuse the innocent of zina, sodomy, or the like, those who seek to cause distress. What do we mean by suffering? If you level accusations of zina or homosexuality, you place them in severe distress. In their community, among those who love them, the person becomes unable to live a normal life. Worse than the original occurrence and worse than the actual event. Therefore, these are the most wicked people, I declare.